So another 10-second tip. Previously we've looked at VLOOKUP and how you need to put dollar symbols around the G2 and the H102 reference to kind of fix it in place. Well, there is another way that you can do it actually. What you can do is you can highlight all of this lookup table and go into this box here and call it something useful. So maybe call it grade boundaries. Now you don't need the underscore, that's just something that I do. You can call it whatever you want. So press enter. Okay. This is now called grade boundaries. There you go. And if I go into here, just change that thing there. If I start typing grade boundaries, well, Excel knows that it's called grade boundaries. Look, just there. So if I double click this, press enter, this cell has now got grade boundaries in place of all of the $G things. So let's just copy that down, and look, no change at all, but every single one of those things now says grade boundaries, and it works. And there you go.